flame on. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. So some of you miniature painters out there might be a little intimidated by this little gadget right here. This is called an airbrush. Well, I was at first until I found the right airbrush. Now it's not the most expensive one. It was on sale. I don't care, but it works amazing. It's got all sorts of little gadgets that you're able to tweak it whenever you're actually painting with it. And the Human Torch from Marvel Zombies Kickstarter Stretch Goals is the perfect miniature to actually test out the airbrush and see how close you can get to it without making too many mistakes. And even if you do, he's on fire, so that looks pretty cool anyways. So let's get to the table and start painting. Alright, let's get this fire going, and we're going to be starting off with a matte white air paint primer from the Army Painter. We're going to prime that all up in white to make them really bright for when we put on the other air colors. Yeah, I'm going to be airbrushing pretty much this entire miniature except for a couple little details at the end. And we're starting off with a base coat of lava orange. I am not using the triad of colors because sometimes they don't always work the way you want them to. The next part we're doing here is the chaotic red. We're going to be putting this on the darker areas, like mostly the skin and his outfit that he's wearing right now. It's more burnt, so it's a little bit more dark. And then we're going to be putting a little bit of molten orange on the clothing to keep mostly the skin, or whatever's left of the skin, as the darker areas. And then we're going to be putting on some meteor rock. I want to say molten meteor rock, just to really touch up the yellow and get those flames looking nice and bright. And now we're making the brightest part on this miniature matte white, the symbol for the Fantastic Four and his eyes. And I'm using a little bit of Banshee brown for the teeth there, just to really show those skin tones. And then some pure red for the number 4. And there you have it. Under 8 minutes, I think, or even like 7 minutes to paint this guy. And the Human Torch from Marvel Zombies is painted and ready for the table. I hope you enjoyed, folks. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Marvel Zombies. We'll catch you all in the next one.